Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable analysis settings in the Chess Play and Learn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Analysis button. And as you can see, these are the settings that you can enable or disable. So, for example, if you want to set quick analysis, then just click on the white circle next to it. Or if you want to show engine lines, click on the white circle as well. As you can see at the last section is to set the engine maximum time, which you can edit. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.